This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, you can see my screen, right? Now you have this data. We did with total, that is sum. We did with product. We did with average, maximum, minimum. Okay, so what I want you to do is equal to sum, open parenthesis, add the numbers. B3 is to F3, enter. So you can see a plus mark when you come to the right, that is your autofill option. Click and drag to all. Click and drag to all, or select from where to where. Do Control plus D. Control plus D.
Ma'am, could you explain it once again, ma'am?
Yeah, is equal to product, open parenthesis, B1 is to F3, enter. So you got the product. Either you do a autofill, click and drag all, or hold shift, select till where you want and do Control plus D. Same do it for average, maximum, minimum. Same here you do for total. What you'll do is you'll click and drag to your right. Equal to sum. Okay. It is getting the auto sum correct. To your right, click and drag. Do it class, I'll just Ma'am, can you show the total again? You had any doubt, Priya? Click and drag. Same way you give here also. Is everyone done? Same way, do it for all. Put one if done. Anyone who can share your screen and show me? You want me to take your names? Anyone who is doing and can present and show me?
I'll do it.
Hmm.
Just allow me to share the screen.
Give me a minute. Yeah. Now what you do is try applying trunk and round here for average. 1 second. Nishtha, go to the first name. 1 second, go to the first name. Scroll up. No, the same date. Go to average first name. Go there. In general, you can you have the option of one decimal point, increase decimal point. In numbers, home tab numbers. Home tab, the next group, correct. Below that you have 3 dots, correct, to increase the decimal. No, not that. Close that. I'm talking about below general. 3 dots to increase decimal and decrease decimal. Beside that, correct. Do one more. It's 0 only. Come to that 77.8 and try decimals. There are no decimals here. Okay, let it, don't increase. Now what you do is you use trunk, okay, with 0 decimals. You use round with 0 decimals. Correct. Take. Okay. Same way trunk. Everyone, you should do this what she's doing. Same way, do it. Scroll down, Mister. Do it here also after minimum for this average. Now here you do it. Do it with 2 decimals or 1 decimal. Everyone do what she's done. Done, everyone. You can go to the next. You can stop sharing your screen. Nishta, you get a +5. Please remind me when we come to the Nishta left the the next you have is statistical functions. Statistical functions, for example, I will not do in this data when I'm explaining about. Just put a default simple number. Nishta, you're there? Nishta's friend, tell her about what I told. Maybe she left after.
Ma'am, I just by mistake, instead of like not sharing my screen, I left the meeting by mistake.
Yeah, I told you you get a +5. When I ask about the assignments, you remind me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now in this data, you can see I have numbers, I have alphabets, I have space. Okay. So when I do count is equal to count, open parenthesis, select, enter 7. But how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But 7 is C. This means count function counts only the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next you have is count A. Open parenthesis. Same data I will take. See 11. All the used cell gives you count A. That is numbers as well as characters, but not the blank. Next you have is count blank. See 1. So there is one blank cell in the data. So that's how it says count blank. Then if I have a condition, okay, if I have a criteria, like I want to know only ASD in the complete data. So I want to know one particular thing, how many times it is there. So that is what count if. If means a criteria, a condition is equal to count if range. So I told you when I have characters, when I have alphabets, we are supposed to differentiate it by double inverted commas, correct? So double inverted commas, ASD, double inverted commas, close parenthesis, enter. So I have 4 times ASD. Okay, so these are 4 count functions. After that, you have is equal to square root. So it gives you the square root of, maybe I will ask square root of 25. So it is 5. Then pi. You know the symbol of pi, correct? 22 by 7. So that is what pi is equal to pi. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis is this formula for pi. See 3.14, you get the answer. But you want to multiply something or add something with pi, then you give is equal to pi, open close parenthesis, multiplied by 2 I will give. So 3.14 into 2. Then factorial. Your LCM, HCF and all, you used to multiply them, correct? That is nothing but factorial. Factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to fact of 5, 120. And you have power, that is nothing but your superscript. So is equal to power maybe I'll say 3 to the power of 2. So it's 9, 3 into 3. So that's how these few functions are. Okay. One second, I'll open the notes. You had taken trunk and mode class? Trunk mode round is taken, correct? Take down this statistical functions.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous page? Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Done. Do it everyone, all these functions. Once done, what I want you to do is go to the go to this screen. Okay, here put the formulas which all can be applied. Again, put the formulas here: count, counter, count blank. So you get 0, but put the functions there. It's okay. Square root, everything you get. You don't get a exact answers, but that's fine. Put which all you can apply there. Put that. I'll give you 5 minutes to do this. I want you to put 1 after you're done so that I can go to the further thing. Anyone have any doubts? Difficult to do? Confusion? You can let me know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, who was that?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
didn't allow
Ma'am,
me to. Tell
can
me.
you show me that pi thing again, like how to use it? I'm not
Pi.
getting it actually. Yeah.
Pi, no? Is equal to
Yes.
pi. Is equal to pi. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
If something multiplied or addition is equal to pi, open close parenthesis, multiply by any number you want.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Is equal to count if. Count if is when you have some repeated in your data and you want to know how many times it is repeated, is equal to count if open parenthesis range comma, as it is character I am putting that in double inverted commas, close, enter. Is that clear, Dhriti? Sindhu NV. Sindhu NV, you're there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you share your screen and show me what you're doing?
Ma'am, actually my laptop got off suddenly.
Okay. Sri Lakshmi R. Sharon S. Anand. Rajpreet Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen and show me what you're doing?
Ma'am, I'm at the hospital right now, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe
That's why
some
I'm
other day
quite an
you.
unstable. Yes, ma'am,
Maybe
definitely.
some. Okay. Pooja Singh. Pooja Singh. Shilpa S. Class, you don't even take the pain of unmuting yourself and saying if you have, you will be able to or not. If this happens in the next class, you don't even answer me what I'm going to deduct your marks or I'm not going to put your attendance. I'm telling you very strictly. I at least want a reply from you saying yes or no. I'm not going to eat you up if you are not able to show it. Manikya Mahalakshmi. Manikya Mahalakshmi, yes. Gopika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you show me what you're doing?
Yes, ma'am. Could you let me present?
Yeah, 1 second. You can do it.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what I've done. Um, and there's count here, count blank, count A,
Mm.
and this is
No,
pi
you
square
don't
root.
have to explain. No, so you don't have to explain.
Okay.
Just show your screen.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubt you have, you were able to do all the formulas what we did,
Yes.
correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If only you could just show how COUNTIF is done again. That's the only doubt that I have.
You do it. I'll tell you.
Okay.
What is that you
Tab
put?
COUNTIF.
How you had got a error? What was the thing you had
Yes,
put in
ma'am.
that?
I selected the value from above, but I don't know how to do it. I didn't notice when I was doing in this way. I noticed when you were showing it on the screen.
Okay. So what the data here is, okay, you do COUNTIF open parenthesis.
Okay.
Select the data from top till total.
Till total.
Don't select total.
Okay, till here.
Comma.
Comma.
Put one number which is repeated. I believe 90 is repeated.
Okay.
Put 90. Enter.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So as it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
number, you give number. But when I showed, it was character. So in double inverted commas, you give the character. If any of your names
Okay.
is repeated, then you can
Okay.
give them in that
Okay. Okay.
way. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You can stop sharing.
Okay.
You are Gopika, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gauri,
Yes, mom.
can you show me what you're doing?
Mom, actually, I reached 10 minutes back home. I'll just do it and I'll send it to you, mom. Is that okay?
That's okay. That's okay. Mm, okay. People who are done, put a 1 so that I can continue with the next. Hardly I receive around 18. So once I receive 16 to 18, I'll do the next functions. Okay. Class, your next function is text function. Text function is basically the word only says for the text. So, for example, I have the word computer. Okay. So It is in capital letters, that is uppercase. So I want that in lowercase, is equal to lower, open parenthesis, the text, enter. See, it's in lowercase. You want the lowercase to uppercase. Is equal to upper, open parenthesis, the text, enter. You get it in uppercase. Then we have something called right, left, and middle. That is what in the text. For example, now the length. What is the length of this word? So it is COMPUTER. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 characters in one word, is equal to length, enter. Okay. Then right. From right, I want 3 characters, that is TER, is equal to right, open parenthesis, comma, 3 characters. Same way left. From left, I want 3 characters, that is COM, is equal to left, comma, 3. Right? Mid here is not like the between 2 or 3 characters. It is from where you start the character to where you want to end the character. For now example, I want PUT. So 1, 2, 3, fourth character is P, and from fourth characters I want 3 characters, that is PUT. That will be your mid function, is equal to mid, the character, the word, comma, from fourth I want 3 characters. Okay. Now everyone is having a initial only here. Anyways, I'll put my name. Okay. Now you can see my full name is Varalaxmi Kath, but it is in small lowercase. I want that in V, and V must be capital, K must be capital. That is what our proper case says. Okay, is equal to proper, open parenthesis, the text, close, enter. Okay, now what I want you to do is do it for this particular name proper. You can do. So first try this part. Okay, class. After that, you will apply the same to your right and to your right and to the down, the same functions. Dollar is not required. Take down class. I'll change the screen. Anyone has doubt, you can ask me. Try them doing. If you do not get it, let me know. Okay, next you have is replace, replace and substitute. So basically, see, when I say I'm not, I'm maybe a teacher is absent for a day for that particular period, then what happens? Another teacher substitute that period. Maybe the teacher may be the same subject, or it can be some other subject teacher, correct? But when they say the teacher has left the job, then the same particular teacher, for example, now Excel. When I say Excel, I am absent, somebody else substitute my class, that can be any hour of your period, but any subject. When I say the teacher is supposed to, the teacher has left the job, then you get another Excel teacher. Correct. It is, there are difference between substitute and replace. Replace is where you remove the same thing, replace it with same thing. Substitute is you can take out anything, substitute it anything instead of that. Is this too clear? So, for example, you have pen. Okay. Now I say is equal to replace. Okay, comma, start number. So I want to change 9 and 8 to 55. Okay, I will change 9 and 8 to 55. So 9 starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4th, I want to change 2 and I want the number to be 55. Same way, if I say is equal to substitute text, comma, I don't have to tell from where it to start or from where to not. Just give pen. Instead of pen, I want book. Okay, because pen is in lowercase there. That is why I did not recognize. So this is substitute. Then you have concatenate. What is that? Is, for example, if I have here as MS Office, I have here as Excel, Word, and just write as PowerPoint. So merging cells is merge and center, what you do in Home tab. Merging the content in the cells is the concatenate. Is equal to concatenate. So what are the text? This one. So it's an individual, we put them in commas, comma, this. See, it has come in one cell, but it has come together. I wanted little space. Okay, is equal to concatenate, comma. So it's a character. Character, I'll put in double inverted commas. Double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, comma, Excel. Oh, that's 86. Excel, comma, double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, comma. This, enter. So you've got space between them. So I want any other character between them. It's equal to concatenate, comma, double inverted comma. I'll give this, comma, record. Same way you can put and here or give space between each of them. So all these you can, once you get to know the formula, then you can do all these things there. Could you please do that? Could you please repeat the part where you haven't given any space? Can you please mention the cell number? Is it 59, 60, 61? 59 is the basic concatenate. See, you don't give anything, just put commas. Is that clear? Everyone done? No doubts? Try different concatenate, try using and in between. Nobody's done. It's more than 5 minutes. Vaishnavi G, can you show me what you're doing? Meghana BA, can you show me what you're doing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my current laptop that I'm attending from is not working properly. The Excel is not working, so I'm using my sister's. So should I on my camera?
No, you can show me some other day then. That's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You answered, no? That's the good thing. I hardly get people who answer me. Monisha. Nikita Gupta. Sneha N.
Ma'am, Nikita would not be able to unmute because ma'am, she's a little having a headache, so she'll not be able to talk.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the class also she was not feeling well today.
Okay. Sneha.
Ma'am, can I show you tomorrow, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tanisha. Tanisha, I think she showed once, no? Or yesterday she's answered some. Nazreen.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me what you're doing?
I'm using my phone, so can I on my camera and show you my laptop? No? The screen of
No.
uh,
Amira. Okay, I'll do another two simple function. That is date function. These are two simple date functions. The rest date functions I will show you in tomorrow's class. Is equal to now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, gives you today's date and time. I mean, my laptop has wrong date and wrong time. So that's how it's showing this. You will get the right date and right time. That is now. Today is equal to today, open close parenthesis, you get only the date. I repeat, now gives you both date and time. Today gives you only date. You can write down because I don't have that in the, there is no explanation in the notes what I have there. So that's it. Now function shows today the current date, current time, current date and current time. Today function shows current date is equal to today, open close parenthesis, is equal to now, open close parenthesis. Okay, class. Your 2 minutes finished then. Yeah. Okay, class. Everybody is, whatever you have done today, put that in the another sheet. I mean the data what we did. Click and drag autofill for rest of that. Please put that in that